So here's the forks I'll be disassembling. And yes, I'll get it over here. Already took off the top bolt on it. And I'll show you what I disassembled so far from it. This upper bolt takes a 22 millimeter socket on there, and I just put it in the vise. Just put it in the vise while I was able to take that off. And basically what comes out is first the spacer, then the spring. I'll show you the spring. Well, actually the oil is the first thing that comes out, so you have to dump that out. And you get the spring, and this is the spring cap right there. And then you would have the spacer, and then the cap bolt. So just wanted to show you what I disassembled so far. And this one still has the Allen bolt on there. And I've tried taking it off. And I will tell you, I tried all sorts of different methods. I've tried, the rubber tip tool. I've tried the wooden handle, broom handle. I have no idea where it's at. And the impact wrench, and nothing wanted to take it off. I mean, I've done it on both these fork tubes. I tried taking the Allen bolt using all those various methods. So finally I read on a forum, the KZ900 forum, to get a Gator+grip socket, and here it is. That's the Gator+grip socket. And all it is up to a 19 millimeter. It says 7 to 19 millimeters, variable size. There's some steel rods in there that when you press the nut, it will conform to the shape of whatever nut or whatever it is you're trying to take off. And to give you an idea of what I have to do here, this part, let me get this part right here, is what's sitting inside the tube. Here's the Allen bolt, just like it is there. But of course, this is all inside right now. And here's what you have to try to hold. I don't know if you can see it. It's circular, but it has two flat edges. And that's where the Gator+grip comes in. So I'm just going to set this down. Oops. And prepare my Gator+grip.